everyone, welcome back to 5 Minutes with Nadia, where we break down the biggest questions and most controversial topics in under 5 minutes. I'm Nadia, and today we're diving into something that might ruffle a few feathers: geoengineering, dimming the sun. Have you heard about the plan to dim the sun? No, it's not science fiction. It's called geoengineering, and some people believe it could be the most dangerous science experiment in human history. Imagine blocking out sunlight. Not with clouds, not with solar panels, but with literal particles sprayed into the upper atmosphere to reflect sunlight back into space. Sounds crazy? That's exactly what a project from Harvard University was proposing, backed at one point by Bill Gates. Yes, Bill Gates, the same man who brought you Windows and vaccines and controversial GMOs. He actually funded research into solar geoengineering through the Stratospheric Controlled Perturbation Experiment, or SCOPEX. The idea? Use calcium carbonate particles to create a reflective shield in the stratosphere, dimming sunlight to fight global warming. But hold on, is this even safe? Scientists are torn. While some say it might help regulate Earth's temperature, others warn it could cause droughts, change monsoons, disrupt ecosystems, and even create conflicts between nations. Because let's be real, if one country dims the sun and another gets less rain, that's a global problem. This means war. Let's now talk about the elephant in the sky: sun's corona. No, not the beer or the virus, but the sun's outer atmosphere. This glowing plasma field affects our climate more than you might think. Any alteration in sunlight could disrupt this delicate relationship, causing unpredictable consequences. Now, think about this. Europe just faced massive power outages. Spain, Portugal, and parts of southern France plunged into blackouts. While mainstream media blames infrastructure and weather, some researchers are connecting dots, asking if solar manipulation is already underway, frightened or being tested. What if reduced solar energy affects solar panels? What if artificial cooling changes wind pattern? And then there are the floods. Flash floods in Dubai, historic rainfall in Kenya, snow in Saudi Arabia, record-breaking storms in Brazil, all within months. Coincidence? Or climate being nudged by invisible hands in the sky? This is where it gets spooky. The World Economic Forum has discussed geoengineering openly, and papers from the UN acknowledge it. And the US National Academy of Sciences has even recommended a framework for researching it. But the scariest part? There's no global regulation. Any nation or billionaire could decide to dim the sun on their own. And here's the twist. Once you start geoengineering, you can't stop. If you spray particles for 10 years and then stop, Earth could experience a climate shock, like ripping off a planetary bandage. Some scientists call this a termination shock, where the temperature could spike drastically at faster than we've ever experienced. So is dimming the sun a climate savior or a cosmic gamble? Right? We've got to ask the hard questions. Who controls the thermostat? Is it the people or the powerful? And is it really about saving the Earth or saving someone's control over it? Think about this the next time you put on sunscreen. Someone else might already be blocking the sun for you permanently. I really want to know your thoughts. Post your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. That's all for today. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and keep looking up.